Welcome to the Optimization series, a beginner's course on programmatic advertising. This video focuses on optimization basics, what it is, and why it matters. We will explore why programmatic optimization matters in today's advertising landscape. Imagine you're running an online ad campaign with a fixed budget. Every second, thousands of ad impressions are available in the market. You bid on millions of impressions. Some are valuable, many are not. Every impression has a different value, and every advertiser has different goals. The challenge is not buying impressions. The challenge is buying the right impressions at the right price. Buying ads is easy. Buying the right ads is hard. This leads us to the big question. How do you ensure your money is spent only on impressions that actually help your business? The answer lies in programmatic optimization. In this video, we will cover what optimization really means, why it is critical in programmatic advertising, and how beginners should approach it from day one. Let's start by defining, what is optimization? A simple definition is making the best or most effective use of available resources. In advertising, available resources include budget, time, data, and inventory. Optimization is not a one-time task. It is a continuous process of improvement. It involves 3 steps: analyze, act, and repeat. Now let's consider why some campaigns win and others waste money. Programmatic advertising is not set and forget. Most failed campaigns chase everything and achieve nothing. Losing campaigns target too broad equals wasted impressions. Poor campaigns switch bids too often or choose the wrong model. Premium, viewable, brand-safe inventory performs better than cheap bulk impressions. Low CPM does not equal good performance. Bad creatives kill even the best targeting. Too much frequency equals irritation. Too little reach equals no impact. Optimized campaigns balance both. Pause what doesn't work. Scale what does. Losers wait till the budget is gone. In programmatic advertising, success is not about spending more. It's about spending smarter. 2 campaigns can have the same budget, same audience, same platform, yet one delivers high ROI, while the other burns money. The difference comes down to optimization. Campaigns don't fail because of programmatic. They fail because of poor optimization. Let's look at a real-world story using a restaurant example to understand optimization. Imagine you own a restaurant. Your goals are to serve food quickly, maintain quality, avoid waste, and sell all daily food items. You collect customer feedback to determine which dishes are popular, which take too long to prepare, and which items are wasted. Based on this data, you reduce low-selling dishes, improve preparation processes, and order raw materials smarter. Over time, your restaurant becomes faster, more profitable, and more efficient. That entire improvement cycle is optimization, improving processes using feedback. Optimization in programmatic advertising works the same way. Now let's delve into optimization in programmatic advertising. Optimization in programmatic helps you improve performance over time, pace your budget to avoid over or underspend, and understand user behavior at different funnel stages. It also helps you achieve campaign goals efficiently by identifying which targeting works and reducing wasted spend. Optimization begins once a campaign goes live. This process involves the role of AI and rule-based bidding. Modern platforms use machine learning and artificial intelligence to bid higher on high-performing inventory and lower on poor-performing inventory. While AI helps, humans must guide the algorithms. They need a correct campaign structure, clear goals, and clean data. Optimization is how humans guide machines. Algorithms do not optimize themselves. Machine learning adjusts bids, but humans define the goals and rules. The best results come from AI plus human decisions. There is no one-size-fits-all solution for optimization. Every campaign is different, with distinct key performance indicators, audiences, formats, and devices. That is why there is no single optimization path. Optimization is a continuous process of testing, learning, and adapting. The optimization core framework involves defining goals and structure, collecting data, and then testing and learning. Finally, let's explore what makes a good optimizer. A good programmatic optimizer is not just technical. They possess curiosity, a passion to learn, a willingness to test, and the ability to analyze data. The more campaigns you optimize, the better decisions you make, and the more value you create for your clients. A good optimizer is curious, analytical, and patient. Here is the key takeaway from this video. Optimization equals smarter spending. It is the backbone of programmatic advertising, helping you spend smarter, reduce waste, improve results, and stay competitive. In the next video, we will dive deeper into campaign goals, key performance indicators, and the optimization foundation. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment your questions below. Thank you for watching this video on the basics of programmatic optimization.